To make fried goat meat or nyama choma or fried imbuzi with Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. For the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So you get the saucepan, apply water, then apply salt. After applying salt, make sure that the salt tastes. After, apply spring onions. After applying spring onions, we are going to apply the ginger and garlic grated. Ginger and garlic grated. After, we are going to apply the red onions. After applying the red onions, new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. We are going to apply the fresh coriander. After applying the fresh coriander, and please don't forget to share with each and everyone. After applying the fresh coriander, we are going to mix a little bit. Remember, we are doing fried goat's meat. Then apply turmeric. After applying turmeric, apply turmeric for color. After applying turmeric, we are going to also apply some black pepper. Black pepper, since we are working out with red meat, apply black pepper. We want to balance the taste. Then after, we are going to slice or chop our goat's meat. But before you chop it, first wash it. Before you chop it, first wash it. After, you chop it in two different pieces or chop it in two family pieces. It depends on what you are going to do. You have never tried this recipe, please try it out. Then you are going to apply all our meat in our first ingredients. Then after applying it, we are going to boil it. Make sure that you boil it until it's ready. Boil it until it's ready. We need it cooked but not mashed. I repeat it. We need our goat meat cooked but not mashed. So remember, you are watching Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi, and new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So you can also first feel it and see if it is soft. Then after, remove it from the stock. You set it on the plate. After setting it on the plate, we are going to do our marination. We are going to do the marination, but when you are doing the marination, make sure that the cooking oil is on fire before you do the marination. So at this point, make sure that you put your cooking oil on fire, then put your meat like I'm doing here. Then after, get your bowl. In your bowl, apply Reiko. If you don't have Reiko, use Reiko beef. If you don't have, skip it. Then apply tomato sauce. After applying tomato sauce, apply what's enough according to the amount of meat you have or the kilograms you have. After, apply paprika. Apply paprika for color. Apply paprika also enough. Apply more turmeric. Apply more turmeric. Apply more black pepper. Apply more black pepper. After, we are going to mix a little bit. Then at this point, we are going to apply the garlic and ginger paste. Garlic and ginger paste. How do you make it? You blend ginger, garlic, and cooking oil together in the blender. Then apply it here. Then apply some little cooking oil to finish off the marination. Then you bring your meat. You bring your cooked meat, your half-cooked meat. But make sure that this meat, it is not too hard and it is not too soft. So we need it when it is soft but not mashed. So make sure that you toast it into the oil marination. Make sure that it is well coated with the marination because we are going to deep fry it. This is what makes it unique. So after, we are going to finish off with some wheat flour. If you don't have wheat flour, finish off with corn flour. When you are going to deep fry it, make sure that you finish off with wheat flour so that the ingredients don't get washed off. Then after, you're going to deep fry until golden brown. That's why I told you, make sure that your oil is ready. So when the oil is ready, make sure that it's not too hot and it is not too cold. So when it is ready, deep fry your goat's meat or your nyama choma or your fried imbuzi with until golden brown. If you want to join my WhatsApp channel, please WhatsApp me on that number so that you can join my WhatsApp channel. Remember, this is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. So you can try out this recipe at home. You can try this recipe for your family. You can try this recipe you yourself. Trust me, you are going to love this. And after serving it, please accompany it with some onion tomato salad or the so-called kachumbari. You can also put some fried plantain. You can also accompany with some French fries or baked jacket potatoes. So this is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. For the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipes. See you.